What is going on YouTube? What is going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? What is going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? My name is Cheno.
And I'm Alex.
We've got our one-way tickets and today we're moving to the Philippines. So today is December 30, it's about 9 AM. We've made it to Sydney Airport. Let's go and check in.
Gone through check-in and also the security now. We were just having snacks, but the line before wasn't actually too bad.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad, but like the airport's pretty packed.
So packed today.
You know, all the other lines, so many people.
I thought there wouldn't be much people because it's over the holiday period now, and I guess people would have gone to their destinations, but not yet.
There's a lot of people like us traveling last
really
minute.
Busy.
Yeah, but yeah, we got through security pretty fast as well. I think only about 20 minutes or so. And the past few times that we've traveled this year, it's always like 40 minutes or an hour. So we're glad that we have something to eat, and now we're just waiting to board, I guess. We're waiting for the check-in. We're still a bit early, like.
I think we have 30 minutes left, so.
Still got about half an hour, but we'll see you when we're at our gate. As per usual, we like to be last on the plane, mainly because we just sit and chill. It's almost the end of the line, and we're about to board our flight on Qantas.
And leave Australia.
I know, this is so sad. We said our goodbyes to our family, and yeah, it's not easy, you guys, but we're excited for this next chapter of our lives, of our journey. So yeah, let's go in.
Come along.
This portion of the video is sponsored by Snap Wireless. This is the most versatile travel power bank that we've ever used, and it's called the Powerpack Universal by Snap Wireless. So it's got a couple of built-in cables, Lightning for your Apple devices, and USB-C for your Android. But in our case, we've got a drone. But you still have two ports, so we can charge the drone remote or camera chargers. And the best thing is this wireless charging capability. Look at that. So click the link in the description to know more about the Powerpack Universal and use code ChenoAlex to get 5% off your next purchase. Alright, let's go back to the video.
So we just made it here at NAIA Terminal 3.
Oh my gosh, we've landed.
We made it. It was actually a pretty quick flight, so we got here a little bit early, which is good. And we saw the sunset, which is amazing.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
So we just had to present our e-travel barcode, so which you do at, where is it?
eTravel.gov.ph. Super easy, a lot easier than One Health Pass. You just have to fill out your personal information, some flight stuff, vaccinations. You'll see, it's only like 2-3 pages.
Yeah,
super
we'll
quick.
put the link in the description so you can find it. Yep. But yeah, we're just at our baggage area. Gotta get our baggage soon.
We've got a lot. We've got like 3 items. One of them is a box.
One of them's a box, so it's actually, we can put a lot more.
Yeah, you'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
This is huge.
It's actually next to each other.
These are a lot lighter. That's our whole lives in 3 luggage and a box. Well, 2 luggage and a box.
This trolley.
It's dancing. The trolley likes to dance. Here we are, guys. This is Terminal 3 arrival. First thing we got to do is grab SIM cards for our phone. So we got internet and a bit of cash as well. Alright, you guys. So finally heading out of the airport. Alex is right there. Base 7. We're right here. I think so. Alex's cousin is picking us up. I think the car is here. Yeah, because we got a whole lot of bags. This is so exciting to be back here, you guys. airport is crazy these times.
Probably wondering why we're moving to the Philippines. Well, we'll explain that later in the video, but right now we're here at JT's Manukan in San Juan.
The original one, apparently.
It's the original one,
Yeah.
and it's actually my childhood favorite, like karinderya or manukan. So we're gonna have dinner here, first dinner in the Philippines, so we'll show you that.
Let's eat.
A few moments later.
We got our food now, and we got the famous pecho, which is chicken breast, just with garlic rice as well, and we got sisig. So we're gonna have that, and I'm so excited because I'm starving after that long flight. Okay, it is now the next day, and we just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys the reason why we're moving to the Philippines.
Yeah, so it started 7 years ago when I was traveling the Philippines, and I was really inspired by creators online, both in Instagram and especially YouTube. So that's why I was vlogging my journey, my adventures around the Philippines. And I guess when 2020 hit, the world stopped, everyone was in lockdown. It kind of put things into perspective, and we really wanted to focus on what made us happy. And so Alex mentioned that she wanted to, move out of our hometown to be near the ocean.
So we were from Canberra, which is a small city and about 2 hours away from the coast.
Yeah.
And I love the ocean, so I decided, maybe why don't we move to the Gold Coast, which has the beautiful beaches of Australia.
Yeah, I haven't been there, but I heard it's stunning. So I thought, why don't we take it a step further and move all the way to the Philippines? Because we've already been traveling back and forth quite frequently, and Philippines is such a beautiful country, and we want to share more of it, especially with a new audience.
Exactly. So this year we're going to be traveling around the Philippines, but also we have international travels planned, which I'm so excited about.
Yeah, we're so excited.
And I want you guys to come along with us to explore the beautiful places we're going to see in this channel.
Yeah, and we really appreciate your support, you guys, not just in our Japan travel series, but throughout the past year, especially to the OGs of the channel, the past 5-6 years. We're so excited for this next chapter of our lives, and we just ask that you continue to support us.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll see you guys in the next vlog.
See you soon.
Bye.